So I've built a bundler and it's actually quite slow, but I did use it to bundle this little React to-do app right here, and I'm really proud of it because this React app was completely bundled using my own JavaScript code that goes through all of these steps repeatedly until it's done, and then it transpiles it, saves it to disk, and combines the additional files like the HTML with it to be a final React app that can be deployed on Vercel, which is really, really cool. Even though I wouldn't recommend anyone to use it because it's slow, it's worse than Webpack, it's worse than Bundler. There are a million different tools that do a better job. So why am I still proud of it? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. I've built all of these features into the bundler by myself, and I now know how bundlers do all of this and why transpilers are needed for some bundlers, which is some really cool knowledge that I didn't really have before, and because I knew what scope the project would have. I just wanted a simple bundler that could bundle a React app, and nobody else will use it, so there doesn't need to be a special interface or whatever, just a normal, simple bundler. I was able to basically build a project from start to finish, and I knew when I was done and I could be proud of it, which is not the case for many projects. And if you look at my other projects, they're really similar, like Niklas, for example. That's just a programming language built on top of JavaScript. Nobody should use this because JavaScript on its own is slow enough, but I learned how programming languages, at least interpreted ones, work, which is really helpful. And the same thing goes for this Game Boy game. Why would anyone play a Game Boy minigame like this in today's times? Nobody will. But it's really cool that I've got a Game Boy ROM that could actually run on an actual Game Boy and is emulated with a WASM emulator that I found online on my own website. Like, that's just cool to show off. And it has a determined goal. Nobody will use this, but because of the determined goal, I know when I'm ready, I know when I'm done, and most importantly, I know what I've learned. I can learn a lot of stuff from this stupid stuff. So what I would recommend that you take away from all of this is you should build stupid projects. And sure, I know that building a stupid project doesn't really sound appealing, but these three attributes of a stupid project, so they are unique, so they stand out for a recruiter. You don't have an emotional connection to them, so you don't have a problem with them not functioning properly or them not getting the coolest of features or whatever, so you can actually complete them. And yeah, you can complete them. That's the most important bit. Most projects aren't completed. So a small, stupid project that you can actually complete is much more valuable than a really cool, impressive project that will never get done and you can't show to anyone. So yeah, I would recommend that you build stupid projects. And if you now want to find some ideas of what stupid projects you might want to build, then do check out this video where I'll show you a few different things you can build with your React knowledge, which might be really helpful for you. So, have a good day!